Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to unblock blocked websites on school Chromebook. Alright, let's begin. To unblock websites on a school Chromebook, open your browser and go to sybau.alcrb.ru. This site is a reliable unblocker that allows access to websites and apps normally restricted on school Chromebooks. Once the site loads, you can use the search box at the top to type in the website address you want to access. At the top right-hand corner, there's an Apps section with popular apps like Discord, Instagram, Amazon, and Netflix. Clicking on any of these will give you access directly. There's also a Games section where you can play games like Roblox. You can also use the search box at the top to quickly find specific games or apps you want to use. This method is fast, reliable, and works well for accessing blocked content on school devices without additional software or complicated steps. So that's basically how you can unblock blocked websites on school Chromebook. That's it for this video. Thanks.